If you use Google Calendar every day, enabling keyboard shortcuts can save you a surprising amount of time. Instead of clicking through menus for every action, you can move faster, schedule more efficiently, and keep your workflow smooth. In this video, I'll show you how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you'll find all of the customization options for Google Calendar. After clicking the gear icon, select settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the full settings page where you can change everything from display preferences to event settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different categories under General. Scroll through that menu and click Keyboard Shortcuts. This section controls whether keyboard shortcuts are turned on or off for your calendar. Once you're in the keyboard shortcut settings, look for the box that says Enable Keyboard Shortcuts. Check that box to turn the feature on. As soon as you do this, Google Calendar will allow you to use shortcut keys for faster navigation and quicker actions. After that, you're all set. Your keyboard shortcuts are now enabled, and you can start using them right away to make scheduling easier and more efficient. If you want to get even more productive, I recommend spending a few minutes learning the most useful Google Calendar shortcuts so you can really speed up your daily routine. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.